In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion formulas to format and build a timesheet. Notion is a powerful tool that combines the capabilities of a wiki, a database, and a project management app, making it incredibly versatile for both personal and professional use. Let's dive in and make those formulas work for us in creating an efficient timesheet. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace within Notion. This is the hub where all your wiki entries, documents, and projects live. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in to Notion. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Notion home. Think of this as your digital headquarters, where all your pages and databases are neatly organized. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the database option. This is where the magic happens, as databases are the backbone of Notion's organizational capability. Once you've opened your database, we're going to start by adding two numbers. This might seem basic, but it's the foundational step for setting up the kind of calculations you'll need for a timesheet. Now, let's create a formula. Click on the Formula option within your database. You'll find this in the new column Creation menu. Notion's formula feature is quite extensive and allows you to manipulate numerical data, create conditional formatting, and even perform more complex calculations. For our timesheet, you'll start with something simple, like adding up hours worked per day, which is essential for tracking time efficiently. In the formula dialog, you're going to enter a simple mathematical expression. Let's say you have two columns, start time and end time. The formula might look something like this. Subtract start time from end time. This will give you the total hours worked for each day. You can then format this output to show decimal places if needed, giving you and others a clear view of the time spent. As you get comfortable, try playing around with different formulae. If you want to go further, you can adjust the formatting of your output. For instance, you could display hours and minutes instead of just hours, which might be helpful for detailed time tracking. Remember, Notion's strength lies in its flexibility. While we've started with a basic setup, you can always expand your formula to perform more complex calculations, depending on your needs. Whether you're freelance or managing a team, automated calculations will save you time and potential errors, keeping your workflow seamless. And there you have it, a starter's guide to using Notion formulas to construct a timesheet. Stay tuned for more tips on getting the most out of your Notion workspace, and happy tinkering!